So I told you guys we have a powder coat guy in the making, and here it is right here, including the red. I've never offered the red before because I've never liked that orangey look. If it's not that Honda red, it doesn't look right. The middles have to be sanded, obviously. That's gonna come. We've been dealing with Tower for a long time, right?
Yeah, long time.
Long time.
I got my S2000 as well.
Yep, he's got an S2000. It's now a V8 S2000. It was a 800 and something horsepower one back in the day, right?
Yeah, turbo, big turbo setup, big motor.
Big setup.
Yeah.
So he's familiar with S2000s. He's a car guy. He's our new powder coat guy. Check him out. We're not doing mail order stuff. I don't know if he is. You can contact him and see if you can take stuff to him. This is the quality of his stuff right here. In fact, let me finish that cover. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, because right now it looks a little funky. It'll look so much better when that's sanded. All right, this one is all done. So the brakes are very close, but they do clear. I mean, it's about a millimeter right there, but it does clear. We have test drove it.
So this is a Brembo from Acura TLS. It's modified by a place called DC5 Creations, and it uses the S2000 rotor. So if you're thinking about doing a spoon conversion, you're using the S2000 rotor still, but you get less brake pad area. This has a lot more brake pad area than a spoon caliper does. And it's still a aluminum monoblock design with 4 pistons. And it costs a lot less than a spoon caliper, and you can powder coat it in many different colors. So this one here, on the S2000 rotor, since the rotor's used, you can see all the way down here where the pad doesn't grab it. This one is going all the way down there, all the way to the top. So you're getting the entire sweeping face of the rotor with more pad area than you had before.
The rear diffuser, we'll show you that on another episode. The middle part fit nice. The outer part, the one that glues to the bumper, it actually 3M sticks to the bumper, didn't really line up quite right. We didn't feel comfortable just sticking it on, sending it down the road. It really does need a little bit of work, so we have a plan for that. That's going to be up on another episode. And yes, the logos on this car really are that crooked. It does have plans to fix those. He's going to put some new emblems on it, but this might be one of the craziest emblem installs ever, and it was done by the paint shop, because it's a shame. This car is so nice. Other than that, as you can see by the video, the heat shield has to be cut to clearance, that caliper. It's basically like a straight up and down. You just got to give it a little bit of clearance. Once you put the caliper in there, you can measure how far back, but it's a sheet metal piece, so it cuts fairly easy. So we did end up using the spacer provided. So as you can see, the caliper is evenly spaced. Doesn't look like it needs that much, but you just want the caliper to be evenly spaced off the rotor so it's not going to rub. And also, the pistons come out evenly on both pads, inner and outer. You don't want one to be more extended than the other. So I hope you have heard about our car show / meet benefit for my sister-in-law. This is September 9th. It's actually growing pretty big. We're excited because a lot of people have come on board. A lot of people have donated things. We're up to 15 gift baskets. These are baskets that are donated by various people and businesses. We've got some sponsors now. Quaker Sticker sponsoring it. They're giving us the location, which is fantastic. Royal Palms are doing the t-shirts. You're going to see us. We're all going to be in a green shirt because that's my sister-in-law's favorite color. They're going to be kind of the officials that are going to help you with the car show, help you with the raffle. So we're still working out the logistics really, but what we're going to do is to enter the car show. It's going to be $5. There is going to be 3 trophies, 3 different categories. When you enter the car show for $5, we're going to give you a free raffle ticket. So it basically pays for your raffle ticket. And then the 3 categories is going to be the people's choice. Basically everybody there that votes for the car is going to be the furthest driven. And then it's going to be LHT's choice. Basically, all the LHT guys and the OG LHT guys, we're just going to get together and go, that's our favorite. And we're going to give you a trophy. So hopefully you can make it September 9th. It's going to start at 5. I think we're going to start drawing the raffle at 8. There is food and drink there, so come hungry, come thirsty. There is a hotel right next door, so don't come and leave drunk. Stay in the hotel and make a good, safe weekend of it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Don't forget, enjoy your cars and see you at the car show.